Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find muted accounts on your TikTok live. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step to take guys is to open your TikTok application and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to select the live option and then click on the go live button. So once you are live in 3 seconds, the next thing you have to do guys is to click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen and then scroll down and click on settings. So once you click on settings, you'll be able to find muted accounts option right there. Tap on it and then you find all the muted accounts you have on your TikTok live. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.